Trends in an industry: low pollution, no pollution ideally, no chemical, low energy use and water saving. This is the green package, so to speak, of products, good innovations in the whole cleaning industry.
The industry needs to look in what we call well and healthy buildings. One of the trends we're seeing is that people really watch the air quality, and that this is a key dimensional driver for the future.
And I think the most simple definition of green is kind of less bad. Like, we've got products that are less bad than they used to be. And there's really only so far you can push that. It's not just making things less bad. We can actually use products that improve the situation and improve human health in the spaces that we clean.
This industry has been very environmentally conscious for a number of years, and CFR technology really plays into that with recycling the water. We're introducing carpet extractors with continuous flow recycling technology.
We have developed a new technology which allows us to produce ultra-hot steam with batteries. It's a cordless system. We do not use a boiler, we use basically a heat exchanger right in the wand. So you can use steam everywhere you want.
Purity is a surface modifier. It's a cleaning product that leaves behind a nano-thin layer of titanium dioxide. It makes surfaces easier to clean, so it's a good labor savings tool. It also, when illuminated with light, purifies the air. So we actually create active surfaces that create cleaner, healthier air using light energy.
We are actually looking to a lot of product lines, and we call it in our language powered by nature. For example, a scrubber dryer. If you don't use a proper liquid in it, actually bacteria, fungus and spores could grow in the dirty water tanks. And once you switch it on, you actually exhaust it. So we have launched a line which is called iProtect, which is powered by nature's liquids. And they make sure that those machines and everything actually always will be bacteria free by modifying the surface of the product. We have a responsibility for people, with responsibility that they're not getting sick at their workplace. It's about total solution packages, making this world a little bit better.